welcome back to our channel, and thanks so much for stopping by to watch my video. In today's video, I'm making chocolate ice cream. Yeah, in my previous video I made strawberry ice cream. So I want to show you simple steps on how to make chocolate ice cream. Please watch to the end of this video so you'll be able to make chocolate ice cream at home. But before I go on, if this is your first time to my channel, wow, you're highly welcome. Thanks so much for subscribing. And if you are not, Uncle, why? Auntie, why? Daddy, why? Mommy, why? Why? Please hit the subscription button down below and subscribe, comment, like and share. So let's start. So the ingredients I'm going to use for this chocolate ice cream: 1 cup of cocoa powder, half cup of sugar, a glass cup of milk, a glass cup of whipping cream, and vanilla extract. So first, I'm going to mix the whipping cream and the vanilla extracts. I'll keep it aside. Bring a pot or a saucepan, pour in the milk, the cocoa powder, and the sugar. Now mix it. Now put it on low heat for 3 minutes. Put it on low heat. Returning it. See, everything is turning soft and smooth. Stir it continuously. Now, put this pot on top of a bowl with ice block in it. Now stir it until it gets cold. Yeah, I'm done mixing it. Now, pour it into the vanilla extract and the whipping cream that I have mixed. Now, pour it in a container. Leave it in the fridge for 10 to 15 hours or overnight. Wow! My chocolate ice cream is blocked and ready to enjoy. I hope you got the steps on how to make this wonderful ice cream. I know you love this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, like and share. Remember to leave the bell icon on so you'll be notified when I actually post a new video. Thanks so much for watching my video. Bye!